Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we got some rotten windowsill right here. I'm really excited about this one because I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. So today we're gonna get silly. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. So I've got two pieces of brick mold here. I've got this one that's kind of rotted here. This little corner is okay, but I got some more right here where I could stick a finger in, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull these pieces of brick mold off. Now you can do this without pulling the brick mold. All right, so I've got the window open. Now on the inside, what you can't see, I've already pulled off the bottom piece of casing underneath the inside sill, and I've also got the sill removed here. Now this is a two-part system here. We've got the sill sets in there, and then this guy is called the sill nose, and it fits, it's got a little grooved track right here, and it fits right inside like so. This one's already pretty rotted and coming off. So I'm gonna go inside, use a skill saw, and cut this sill out. You can get under it with your pry bar, under the cut, and this one is pretty loose. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk this out because I do not want to disturb the old window track. It's like we got a little bit of a rot here. And this is just too rotted. I'm gonna have to put some new wood in here. All right, you can see back in the day, this came in one piece. It's got a little track here. The nose just is fit and formed onto the sill. But this is a 1950s house. Whatever asbestos siding is, could be 30s, I don't know. But nowadays it comes in two pieces, sill and nose. What I like to do is I like to, when I remove the old sill, I like to lay it up on my new sill and trace the length, just so I know it's identical to what I pulled out of there. It's gotta be right. And because this has the nose already attached, make sure you line it up to the back of your sill. Square on it to make sure my cut is straight. I'm gonna slip an end in first, make sure it's in there good. And this one should just slide on in. Beautiful. Now you can see the track of the nose, it's gonna run a little longer, like this one runs all the way to the outside of the brick mold. So I'm gonna butt mine to the siding right there, make a mark at this siding. Beautiful. Slip your interior sill in, don't forget to clip the nails and get your casing shot back on, and you're good to go. So that's it. We just rocked that windowsill repair, exterior window, pulled the interior casing off the bottom, pulled the interior sill, cut the sill out, replaced it with sill and nose. Now remember, sill and nose is about $7 or $8 per foot for both of them. So make sure you get a good measurement on it. No need to waste extra money. All we have left to do is paint this one with some exterior paint. I'm gonna leave that to you. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.